Thank you for visiting us today. Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Ram 2500 Laramie MegaCab 4-wheel drive. This 4-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 6.7-liter i6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 76,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, Bluetooth, and power windows. Call for an appointment today.